This video is sponsored by Lonsdale Leather, located in Vancouver, Canada. Check out lonsdaleleather.com for a wide assortment of leather, tools, and supplies. What's up YouTube? Magnus here. Seems like we've reached 20,000 subscribers, and with that I'm going to do a giveaway. Lonsdale Leather has been kind enough to sponsor this channel, and I'm going to give away a $100 gift certificate to celebrate the 20,000 subscriber mark. So stay tuned. Before we get to the giveaway, I want to go over a couple of things. You all know that I've been trying to make this channel grow for a couple of years now, and we're getting there, but I need your help. So, hit that like button if you enjoy the video, or even if you don't enjoy the video. Anything helps, honestly. Make sure you hit that bell icon so you know when new videos are uploaded, and subscribe for future videos. And if you're looking to help out the channel even more, you can head over to my Patreon page where you can donate anywhere from $1 to $20. With all that out of the way, let's get to the $100 gift certificate that Lonsdale Leather has been kind enough to gift me for reaching 20,000 subscribers. The contest is pretty simple. Like this video and subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment down below on what you would like to see from this channel in the future so I know what direction to go with it. That's it. Somebody will be chosen at random and they will win the $100 gift certificate. I'll also be doing a $100 gift certificate specifically for those subscribers under my Patreon account. So if you're not a Patreon, head on over there and subscribe. It would help the channel out a lot and you might win something. So that's about it. 20,000 subscribers. It may not seem like a lot to some people, but 20,000 is a pretty good number, and I want to create more videos for you guys. So I need ideas, thumbs up, notifications, views, subscribers. I need all you guys to help motivate me to make more content so this channel explodes. I'll see you next time. And keep on being creative in whatever it is you do.